Hello good people, I'm Chef Robby Hooker with Crane Food Service Solutions. Today I want to talk to you about the operations and the cleaning of the Blodgett DFG Convection Oven. To turn the oven on, we're going to simply move it from the off section to the cook section. Our control will now come on. We also have a light switch, on and off. We also have a high and low fan switch for the fan. Once our oven is preheated, we can then adjust our temperature. Then we have a timer. So we hit our timer. We can set our timer wherever we want for however long we want to cook. When it's preheated, we'll then hit start and the cook time will start. We also have a couple of features on this oven. One is a pulse plus button. So the pulse plus button, we press it, we set our timer for however long we want the fan to turn on 30 seconds and off 30 seconds. This is really good with a battered product like muffins. That way you get that nice crown and they're not blown over to the side. So what would happen is, let's say for the first 13 minutes of that 30-minute timer, the fan's gonna come on 30 seconds and go off 30 seconds. We also have a hold feature, okay? We press the hold button. We now can set temperature for wherever we want it to hold. Once our timer goes off, it'll then go into hold at whatever temperature we set it for. You will know when these features are on because the red button will be lit. So the hold button is lit. If I hit the pulse button is now hit. So all of those are now engaged. To turn the oven off, I'm simply going to switch it to off. Always want to go to the cool down switch and then open the oven slightly so the oven can cool down. This will help any electrical components inside to last longer, giving you a much longer lasting oven. The last button I want to show you is down here, there is a gas shutoff button, okay? This is really for maintenance when they work on the oven. We always want to leave it on for operation. It's really just for somebody who's servicing your oven to use. For the cleaning of the convection oven, we're going to make sure and turn the oven off, let it cool down, and then we're going to remove the racks from the oven. Now we take our oven cleaner, spray inside. We take a scrub brush or a green scrubby. We don't want to use a metal scrubby, nothing too abrasive. We're going to clean out, wipe the oven out, then take fresh clean water, give it a good wipe out. Clean the windows. We don't want to scratch the windows, so we're going to use cloth. We can then put all the racks back in the oven after they've been cleaned, and we're good to go. If you'd like assistance or any more information, please reach out to your Crane rep and they'll take care of you. Take care.